Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on AMD. Took a, let's see, where did I enter? First short was the break of R1 and the lower Vwap line. Let me make that bigger. Right, so the green line is lower band Vwap. So took it short here, took a couple partials right here at 96, 46, 43, somewhere around there. Then took a bunch of, well, probably like 3 partials each. So these are like 10% partials. Took another partial here at 96.14. Set a stop limit here to add back those shares. So added back at 95.88. Took some partials here. At what is that? The break of S2. And this one was at 95.98. I think when we pulled back there I took some partials. Took another partial before we broke down here at 95.72, and the rest I'm gonna let it run to around, let's see if I can get that, to 93.90, or maybe it's just above S4. You see S4 is 93.55. So let's see, I think I'm gonna just trail my stop down to about 95.38. Or maybe like about 95.60. Yeah, around S2. And just see if we could catch this this S4 target. 93.61. That's a good little target right there. And it's a good day, man. It's a good day. The winning streak is on and popping. So let's see. Got some alerts going off here on TradingView. So Apple crossing, right? So let's see what Apple is doing. Yeah, so Apple just broke R3. So if I wanted to, I could go over here and take a short on Apple. It's actually breaking back into the channel. I created a channel yesterday from the price action. See how we created that down channel? So I set the high and the low. So we're breaking under that. You know what? Nah. Let me chill. I was about to jump over there and take a short, but I'm already in a short on AMD. So that's just adding too much risk to the overall position, you know. Let's see, AMD. This is my TradingView chart. Let's pull up that. So we're getting a little bounce here. This was prior day S2. So we're getting a little bounce. You see how S2 comes up here. So that's what this was, prior day's S2. Let's see how much volume is in that. Not really that much. And what is that here? Oh, and this is probably this green line coming across here. That's probably anchored Vwap. Let's see. Yep, that's anchored Vwap. That's the lower line, the lower band of anchor Vwap, and it's anchored from the beginning of the year. So this is always giving you the overall sentiment of the market. I don't use what I call it, moving averages and stuff like that. My whole strategy is based on volume and pivots. So I don't use moving averages. I recently just took them off my chart because it doesn't make sense having them on there. And these right here are the money zone, developing value area high, developing value area low, developing POC upper, developing POC lower. but that's, you put that on at the end of the day, so it gives you the levels for the next day, so you can plan out your trades on those levels, you know. I think I'll do a separate video on that. And it's looking like we're getting a little bounce here. I might just close out my position. Let's see, let's go back to Dash Trader Pro. $94, $95. So how much room am I giving this? Let's see, the top of this candle is 95.18. I think I'm gonna move my stop down to 95.36. Yeah, that's good. And sometimes I kind of, this is what I do to judge how far I'm letting it rip. Pull a fib on an individual candle and see how much retracement we're actually getting. See, that hit the 38% right there. Let's see, what is the 50%? The 50% is 95.27. So I'm just above the 50% retracement. So if you're scalping and stuff like that, sometimes you could use this fib line to kind of gauge how much retracement you're willing to absorb, you know. So let's see, they said 50% is 95.27. So we never got up to there. So we're 10 cents above the 50% retracement. So let's see if we can catch our target at what is our target again? It's, oh no. Right. 93.61. Put that back on the 5-minute. Got the 15-minute over here. Could turn that into the 30-minute. Maybe the hour will show it. Yeah. Right. So 93.61 is our target. Oh, we almost got stopped out. So we're probably retesting the 50% fib. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out. Alright, and that's the day. Nice little profit today as well. Sometimes I gauge this, right? This is how I gauge my daily goals, right? So my 9-to-5 job, sometimes, well, not sometimes, this entire week I've been just blowing past my daily wage, right? So I want to consistently do that, like consistently just make more money in trading every day compared to my actual job. You know what I mean? So if I could keep doing that, because you know it's a small account. I don't have like a big account yet, but the account is growing, you know. So we just trading, man. We just trading. We making things happen. Let's see. I think, oh, I actually still have some shares here. All right. So I didn't sell all. That was a partial. See, that's why you gotta make sure. Wait. I think I make a mistake on this montage here. Alright. So boom. So somewhere, somehow, you see sometimes these hotkeys, they mess you up a little bit. So I think one of these hotkeys added a position, a buy position, and it was really small. So it just took off like a couple cents on that. You see that what just happened there, this red entry right here, that sell, that was a buy order that executed. So sometimes you gotta be careful with these hotkeys, man. And I just installed some hotkeys here, so it's a little tricky. And I was consulting with one of my trading partners. Shout out to Joe on Twitter. Y'all follow Joe on Twitter, and he was telling me, like, make sure and put in those hotkeys, man. You know what I mean? But I told him, I'm like, man, these hotkeys sometimes they tricky. You know what I mean? And so said, so done. But it's all good. It didn't really do any damage. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. It's your boy King here, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, staying green all week, ending the week green. It's Champagne Fridays. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. Bless.